Hello, so today it's the day. Just finishing my bag. I'm super loaded with bags. So I have arrived at Victoria Coach Station. Now I need to go first to the agency to sign the papers and get the keys. So first I need to go to Bromley for that, and then go to the apartment in Forest Hill. I'm in the train and it was much easier than planned. Okay, so I'm here at Bromley South Station, and like the location agency is somewhere in that street. I'm gonna go, I think it's like somewhere here, so it's easy. Alright, so I finished at the agency there, and I just need to take my train to go to my new apartment. That's it, I have the keys. That's my third train. I had the one to go to Bromley South, and I thought I could go from Bromley South to Forest Hill, but I can't, so I had to go back up to Victoria. Now I'm at Victoria on this train from another network. It's going to go to Forest Hill now. So I didn't film the end, but basically I came here, discovered a bit the organization of the house. I want to do some shopping for some groceries and cleaning products. I cleaned a bit, and now it's time for some dinner. Yeah. So that was a rather boring day, I think, but the good thing is that I'm staying here this weekend. I'm going back to Liverpool on Monday, but I'm staying here this weekend, so I will have 2 days to like discover the area and stuff. So, good morning, it's Saturday the 25th, I think. Sorry for the ugly face, I've just been on a run to discover a bit my neighborhood and sort of things like this. So now it's breakfast time. So I've just moved my desk. It was against the wall there. I moved it like this because when I sit I don't want to be like facing the wall the whole day. So like that way I can just turn and see my room, which is like a total mess. This is rubbish and it was already in the room. I would probably just throw it all away. And also the bed was the other way around, so this was against the wall, but I thought it was stupid. Like it's supposed to be like how do you say, like a bed frame or a bed head, but it's like not comfy because it's this, and so I thought it was useless there, so I just switched it yesterday night. Alright, so I'm just editing the vlog at the moment, and I realized it's a bit boring. Like most of the action was supposed to be during this weekend, but actually I realized it's better if I have more like a quiet time inside, because I need to clean a lot, and basically I will be living here, so I will have more time to discover in the future. So today it's going to be just a cleaning day and reading. But I discovered a bit this morning during my run, so that's Forest Hill here, And during my run I went like around there and discovered this park, which is the Mayo Park. But if you zoom out, you can see that Forest Hill is here compared to the center of London. And I was thinking, how long is it from here to the closest point on the Thames? It's perfectly like possible to go there because it's about like 6 kilometers to go to the Thames, and there is even maritime museum there and other like interesting stuff. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to try this. So basically just cleaning for today, but tomorrow exploration. I'm also going to go on a run tomorrow morning probably, but I might not take a camera. So tomorrow afternoon some exploration, like massive adventure exploration. So yeah. So here are 2 little details that I found out in my new room. First, can you see here? Let me zoom in. So it's a hole in the wall, but I can't see the light through it, so I don't know how thin the wall is. And second is that, okay, the chair is dirty, but there is a hole in it. There is the spike of the chair, so I might just get a new one. Okay, so I just found out why I can't see the light through this little hole. It's because the wall is actually, yeah, so I don't know if you can see, but it's actually windows. And we just put like a thin pane panel inside, and the same thing on the other side. It was windows and they put like panel, so that's why it's like super thin and you can see the light from outside.